2, we finally reached to the waterfalls. Alright, it smells very good. Now the tourists around here. Alright. This view is very beautiful. If you probably can't hear me, but it's absolutely beautiful. Should I jump there? Oh, this is so cool. Moss is everywhere. I could barely swim in that. Alright. Gotta climb onto this rock to get a better view. Look. This is so beautiful. The stream over here. Look at that rock. Very amazing stuff. Oh, look at this water. Should I touch it? All right, you guys get it. It's actually fresh. It's actually good. Wish people could swim in this. It would be like cool. It's because it's summertime. Oh, great. Another thing. Last year I came to this park. I saw like a big toad around here. Very green. Probably it's brighter right now in yours. I should probably make it like this so you see a better scene. Alright, flip your phone. I'll give you some time. It's alright. Time is time. And oh, this stream is so beautiful. Is that land or is that just water? Or is there water underneath it? Very interesting. Water touch time. Fresher than last time. Very, very good. I would not jump in that because that could have like water under it. Sometimes if you see that, it's not always land. It's sometimes just like roots under it. Oh my God, this is like a big swamp. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay. Good. Oh, this looks cool. Like a little pond right there. Cool. Wait, is that a fish? Oh no, that's just a plant. Alright. It's going well for now. Probably see like a big thing behind there. We're gonna reach to that. Might go out. Alright. Quick show around. Beautiful stream. It's so cool. Those look a lot cool. Okay, bye.